Hi everyone, I'm Emily Calandrelli from Morgantown, West Virginia. You may know me as the host of Exploration Outer Space from my Netflix show, Emily's Wonder Lab, or on the internet at The Space Gal. I'm an aerospace engineer, and I'm here to tell you that you too can have an exciting career in science, technology, engineering, and math right here in West Virginia. It all takes education and training, also all available right here in our state. So we're gonna go meet some people who are gonna tell us all about it, because remember, the future is you.
I'm Cindy Rodina, and I'm an aviation maintenance instructor here at the Robert C. Byrd National Aerospace Education Center. I teach people the basics of aircraft so that they are qualified to then take their FAA test. They can test for the FAA, get their license, and then they can work anywhere in the world. People understand that if you have this license, this A&P, which stands for Airframe and Power Plant, we learn pneumatics, electricity, hydraulics, sheet metal. They learn it all.
Right.
So they can do anything.
And then what do people with that type of certification do? What kind of careers can they have?
Industry loves A&P mechanics.
Wow, so it's a very broad certification that can be used in so many different careers.
Yeah. And as far as with the aviation, you can become a mechanic or crew mechanic, then you can go into maintenance coordination, where it's endless. You can run the whole plant, you know?
Wow, and you're already doing a good job of this, but what is the pitch for getting more students into a program like this?
Oh my gosh, it's a career for life. I mean, I have students, they graduate, if they're straight out of school, let's say they're 20, maybe. When they graduate here, they walk across the street and they have a lifetime career at Pratt & Whitney, making good money.
No small company.
No. Mitsubishi works on the RJs. They can become a mechanic for any airline. They can work. Turbine engines are used to generate electricity for factories. Mm-hmm. They use A&P mechanics. A&P mechanics are desirable for trains, elevators, medical robots. Love A&P mechanics.
Really?
Yeah, I know, right? Our students, most of them want to stay in West Virginia. West Virginia people love West Virginia. So they want to stay here, and so they can walk out our door. And most of my students are already working, and the understanding is once they graduate, they'll get their license and they get a full-time job.
There you have it. There is so much out there to get excited about, so get started today. Ask your school counselor about STEM education, including career technical education opportunities that are available through your school. The fields of science and technology need you, and I'm telling you, the rewards are out of this world. I'm Emily Calandrelli, and until next time, remember, the future is you.